So we just landed at Rottenboden. We're going to check out the reflection of the mountain on the lake. It's a little bit misty still, but let's see how we get on. Okay, so we're pretty close to getting the reflection of the Matterhorn in the lake. A little path down here. I mean, it doesn't get much better than that. And there, we're going for that reflection. Let's get down. The path isn't too bad, you know. I've seen worse in the last 24 hours. There's actually 2 lakes. We're going to go to a second one as well, because it's a little bit smaller, but you get a much better reflection. And not a lot of people know about it or go there. So we're definitely going to go there. Right, just at the last little stretch. Oh.
Let's go down the water lake, shall we?
Yeah, so I'm going to get a couple of photos and then. Right. Right, let's check this out. Okay, we're at the second lake. The first one was alright. This apparently has the view, the money shot, and you can see there's nobody here. Not many people come down here. So yeah, let's go. You can see the moon up there. I don't know if you can spot it. Right, so let's check out the reflection. We've taken loads of snaps. Oh my god, I stepped in the sinking zone.
Wet, you know that, right?
Right, okay, take 2. So we've got the reflection shot, took loads of photos. Check this out. Look at that. Check that out, and then the landscape. It's like out of Lord of the Rings or something.
It's not like Lord of the Rings.
Be quiet.
That's from New Zealand.
The Hobbit. What is it like then?
It's not like this twat. It's different. It's volcanic and different. Switzerland.
Little does he know that's actually the biggest volcano in Europe, and I need to teach him a few things about geology and geometry and things like that. So it's a cool little hike. It's nice and flat and well, smooth, shall we say? Let's say smooth. You've got the Matterhorn there. Oh, I've got to stop for more photos. I can't stop taking photos. So we're in the middle of nowhere. There's no one to be seen. It's completely silent. Dead silent. No signs of humans apart from all of the carts and stuff in the distance. But there's no people walking around. Just about made it back. I lost my pass and they weren't going to let me on. They were going to charge me 38 francs, which is about 35 quid, just to go a couple of stops. And I was just like, oh no, I've got the receipt, I've got this, I've got that. And she's like, no, you need X, Y, and Z. I was like, come on man, this is a con. And then she just gave me a pass. She goes, take this, get on the train. I was like, cheers. And then as soon as I got on the train, I found my pass. It was right at the bottom of my bag. So that's the end of that adventure, hiking, getting the reflections and all that stuff. We're going to head up to the top of the mountain, the Glacier Paradise now. It's been non-stop, but it's been so much fun. Like when you're on holiday, there's no point sleeping. I've already slept. Just keep going, keep going. So we'll see you in a sec.